GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory Exercise number 3B Number Pattern. What is number pattern? It is a pattern which is created by numbers of any geometrical shape using control loops like square, triangle, rectangle, like the formation of these shapes. That is a number pattern. See the examples. Like this way you can form the patterns by using numbers. That is a program we are going to see in this video. I am going to explain how to create the A shape by using numbers. For creating these A shape, the very important thing is how many columns you need, how many rows you need. That you want to know before writing the program. Then only you can easily write the programs. So here I need the column 0 to 4. For your convenience, you can change the starting value as 1 also. That is your wish. Here I have taken from 0 to 4 and the row also 0 to 7. Let's see the program. First row. For column, you want to write a separate for loop, and for row also you want to write separate for loop, because iteratively the one will be typed. Okay, one will be printed. So first for loop for rows. For row in range of 7, because already I know 0 to 6 the total value is 7, right? So 7 is taken, and here column is 5. So 0 to 4 totally 5. So for column in range of 5 colon, then I want to give some condition. I want to check some condition. Then only I can print the A shape. Okay. First condition, that is I am going to print this column 0 once and column 4 once. For that I am going to write the program. If column equal to 0 or column equal to 4. Okay, that is we have checked 0 and 4. And which is not equal to these one not need to print first. So it is not the row must be not equal to 0. That I want to mention. That is I here mentioned. Column equal to 0 or column equal to 4 and row is not equal to 0. If I give this condition, then these ones and these ones will be printed. Next, where and all I want to print one. Here these 3 ones and these 3 ones. For this I want to write the condition. The row must be equal to 0 or row must be equal to 3. In this 0th row and 3rd row. Right, that I mentioned in the program. And column must be greater than 0. See here, already I printed in the 0th column. So it is not needed. So column must be greater than 0 means it starts from 1. And next, the column must be less than 4. Less than 4 means the 4th column also already I printed. So up to 3 it will be taken. Okay. So this is a condition. If it is true, then print 1. Then I use the end is equal to double quotes. Because by default, if you use a print, it will move to the new line. I no need to have the new line. Just space is enough. Okay. For that I use this end. Else. Print simply the space. Finally, after printing each and every condition, next line wants to be there. So print off. If we call print, it will move to the next line. Okay. Let's see these explanation once again. Separately I explain for you. First I am going to print these ones and these ones in the column 0 in the column 4. For that I give the condition. For column, I have taken the variable COL, call. Okay. So that I am mentioning column. Column equal to 0. 0th column I need 1. Okay. Or column equal to 4. In the 4th column also I need 1. to be printed and row not equal to 0. In the 0th row, I no need that 1 to be printed. That I want to mention. Then, if this condition is true, then print 1 and end with the space. Okay. Next, what is happening? In the 0th column and 4th column, I printed no. Now I need to print these 3 ones and these 3 ones. For this condition. Row equal to 0th row I want to print and 3rd row I want to print. And the 0th column is not needed and 4th column not needed. That I have mentioned. Then the print 1. So finally I will get the shape of A. This is a number pattern. Like this way you can create any number pattern. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept of number pattern. And let's move to the lab exercise. Exercise number 3B, number pattern. Aim of this program, to write a Python program to print number pattern. Algorithm. Step 1, start the program. Step 2, get the number of rows from the user. Step 3, outer loop will print number of rows. Step 4, inner loop will print the value of I after each iteration. Step 5, inner loop to handle number of columns. Step 6, printing numbers. Step 7, ending line after each row. Step 8, stop the program. The program. Already we have seen that A shape, right? Here I am going to explain that square. So rows equal to, rows is a variable, int, input of, enter the number of rows. From the user I am getting the value. For that I use this input of function. I need only the integer. So I use that int type conversion. Then for I in range of rows, rows will be passed. And j is a column, j in range of rows, that is the value will be passed here. Then print 5, I am going to print 5 in the square shape, which is end, space will be there. After that the new line will be created. See the output, enter the number of rows, I entered 3, so 3 rows and 3 columns, the 5 is printed. Let's see the execution part in Python. In the description box, I have given the link, that is how to install Python. You can refer that. Now open Portable Python. Here open IDLE Portable. Run. Python shell will be open. Click File, New Window. Now you can enter the program. After enter the program, click the file, save, give one file name. I have given new and click save. The file is saved. Then click run, run module, enter the number of rows. I enter 3, you will get the output like this way. Result. Thus the Python program to print number pattern was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept of number pattern, how to write the program by using a rows and columns. You can create any shapes of pattern by using the numbers. Thank you.